At least 3 more major banks, including HSBC, Maybank and Standard Chartered, will offer a money lock feature, with one launching it as early as June this year. Banks that started offering this in November say that the number of people choosing to protect their savings is growing, but most of them are older customers. OCBC says young adults make up less than 20% of its money lock users.
Digital banking has been a target of bad actors who carry out fraudulent transactions or trick people into transferring their money. As scam cases are rising, this 36-year-old father chose to lock away around 70% of his savings.
Setting it up is just a click of a button away from the mobile banking or desktop banking. So it's extremely convenient. I haven't personally tried to unlock it yet. And I also think that psychologically having this amount of funds locked up would help one to be more disciplined in saving.
This industry-wide effort is heading in the right direction, with over $5.4 billion locked away since November, when DBS, OCBC and UOB announced money lock features that allow customers to set aside part of their funds. Once locked, they can only withdraw the cash in person at a branch or an ATM, depending on the bank. Customers at other banks will soon be able to protect their savings this way.
We are looking at rolling out Money Lock in June this year, and some of the features that will allow our customers to lock their current account and savings account via internet banking, mobile banking or ATM machines, and that will enable them to put aside their money that they feel that is not needed. We are continuously and constantly looking for ways to further improve our security to prevent further scams opportunity, because scam is an ever-evolving business.
UOB says the number of its lock-away accounts and funds deposited in them grew by around 50% from January to February this year. Similarly, DBS says it's seeing an average of $5 million being locked up every day in its extended DigiVault feature. But customers who use money lock features tend to be older. UOB says most are 45 years old and older, while OCBC says around 85% of their users are above 30 years old. Young adults, while being tech-savvy, do not seem to be using these safeguards. This is why banks are doing all they can to reach out to them.
Especially in the age group of 30 years and below, we may from time to time carry out very targeted communication if there's benefit for us to do so. It's important that they plan out their financials very carefully, keeping the funds sufficient for their day-to-day regular expenses. They should periodically lock away their funds from time to time so that their savings as they build up remains protected on an ongoing basis.
Hi, calling to cancel the $2 million deposit on my private yacht.
Some banks, like DBS, will even be using the social media platform TikTok to encourage more young adults to keep their money safe.